Hey everyone, Trina here. Today we're going to be working on a piece of the 60-pound polar mat from Red River Paper with some Oxide inks. I've got some collage papers here, including these pieces of pattern paper that I stamped with some black paint, and also some of my med exam paper. So let's get started. We're going to start off with a little weathered wood from Distressed Oxide Inks. Put this down. I'm also going to brayer out a little bit of this netting, just to give it a little bit of texture through here. And then we're going to put it down sort of near the top, I think. I have a piece of plastic sheet here on my jelly plate so I can use my Baron. Like that. Got a little bit left. Let's do just a little, flip it over and do another layer through here. I like that. I think I'm going to do another layer of that in this other shape that I just made. Sorry for the bouncy camera today. Come in with more of, just a little bit more of this. And I think I want to do it, my feeling was I would do it this way. So I want just a little bit of tension up there, and I kind of want it to be this sort of landscapey shape. Maybe made it a little too severe, but I think we can work with that. Like that. Got a little bit left. I'm gonna put it right through here. Give us like a little lighter background of the same shape. That's nice. I think I want to bring in some brown tones down here, maybe black. So I think I'm just going to put the mask on here in the bottom. I saw some lines that I really liked in the last little section we did. So what if we just did like something like that? Real easy, real simple. I think I just want to try it like this. It's trying out something a little different. Let's see what that's going to be kind of cool, I think. Yeah, that's kind of neat. What happens if we put this over top and just kind of flip it over? Always looking for different ways to make marks. Come in for a little close-up. Kind of see what we've done. I like what we got going on here so far. And because we're working on the matte photo paper, oh, my finger's dirty. We're not going to get a lot of bleeding in here, so we don't need to put a layer of gel medium on this with this paper. Okay, so got my little skinny brayer here, and I'm just sort of running it along the faded jeans, and I'm just gonna lightly, oh, that's a lot. just want to add some of this color through here. Love the skinny brayer. I like these marks that it's making through here. I might want to do just a little bit more. And maybe if you turn it on its edge, like if you get the edge of the wheel, you can make some skinny marks. Let's do a few more of those. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add this piece of mid-exam paper here. I really like this sort of bronze color it's on there. Let's go ahead and put some matte medium down. I'll spray this with water. And I did let everything dry, just so you know. It's still important. Oh, sorry, I keep hitting the camera. It's important to make sure that we've got dried layers before we start collaging. Okay. I'm gonna take this and add just another layer of the acrylic medium. I'm using matte medium. And then I think I want to add in some of this paper, but I'm not sure where. So I gotta think about that. Okay, so let's do a little bit here. I'm gonna treat this the same way as the med exam paper. I'm gonna, even though it's sort of mostly tissue paper, I'm gonna see if I can do this without breaking it, because it's very delicate. And I want to overlap this a little bit, because it is very transparent. This is something that Sherry had sent to me that I love. Thanks, Sherry. So that's really cool. And now I've got this little tiny one, if I can even lift it up, that I want to lay down through here. Just to sort of, what do I want it over here? You know, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I want it right through there. Yeah, I think that's a good spot for it. I was going to put it up there, but okay. Let's lay down a little bit of our matte medium. This will be tricky. I think we got it though. Maybe I need to get some tweezers for my little experiments. I probably don't need to wet it down, but I kind of like that effect. Did I just rip it? Nope. I thought I ripped it. Oh, I did rip it a little bit. Okay. I'll let this dry and keep moving forward. Okay, I'm going to lay this piece down here. Another piece of the pattern paper. So I just want to play around with the transparency through there. Okay. I like how these, it's just adding just a little bit of transparency to it, and you can kind of, you can still see what's underneath. I thought I might incorporate like the actual black lines, but I don't think I really want to do that for this piece. Maybe in the future if I think about it. Okay, this is a stamp I've made with foam, sticky back foam, and I just sort of put some marks in there. I want to use this with this copper color. because that's what this is. And I want to just put a little bit down through there. Okay, I put a little bit of deli paper over that. And I just want to put a little bit down through here. So I want a little bit of that bronze color. Then you make bronze colored crayons. Just to add a little bit of that color. I'm thinking, this is just a thought, that if I rolled it out on here, because I want it to be pretty light. What if because I've got a little bit here. What if I just stamped it on the paper? And then put this down. Like, how would that work? It should transfer. A little bit. Maybe we need it to be thicker. Okay, so I've made it a little thicker. Let's press it down. I mean, I could just put it on there, but I don't want it to be super thick. I'm thinking this might be a way to avoid that. And still get some cool marks. Let's see what we get. Okay, I think that worked a little better. Yeah, that's kind of what I was looking for. Get one more sheet of something. Let's see how that dries. Should dry lighter. Okay, I'm gonna put some, I think, black marks through here, the carbon paper. Because I want something kind of bold through there. Okay, that's maybe a lot. Let's add some more. Okay. Okay, got some ivory black here. I'm just gonna roll out a little bit of it. Okay, so I didn't like most of what I did here. So I took some alcohol on a paper towel and sort of wiped most of it away. I just didn't like it. I thought it was too messy. It wasn't really what the shape that I wanted. So now we're back to almost where we started. I'm okay with this sort of black shape through here. And I might even continue it, actually. What happens if we need more paint than that. It wasn't the black, it was those big giant marks that I didn't like. So let's add a little bit of the ivory black through here. Maybe, I feel like it needs more contrast. I feel like we're operating on one level here, and we need more dark. So let's add in some blue marks through here, because those are fun. I'm gonna add some through here. Ooh, those are great marks. Great marks. Oh, that's a horrible sound. Those blue marks are looking a little black on top of that bronze. Okay, I'm gonna add some yellow lines through here, some ochre lines. And this is just deli paper with Neo Color 2 on the back. So so we can scratch into it and make line marks, which I've been loving lately. If you've been watching any of my videos lately, this is kind of my new jam. I think I want a few more through here. I like that mixed with the writing. I think that's kind of a fun difference. Okay, so I made some more lines through there. I like how it's interacting with that black. Yeah, that's really cool. That's really cool. I like that. Okay, so this is the Caran d'Ache. I don't know. I broke it in half, so I can't really read it. It looks like it says Sahara Yellow. And I'm just going to put a little bit through here. I'm going to get it a little wet. These are water soluble, just so you know. I just wanted to add this little bit of that color. To kind of mimic what we got going on down here and kind of bringing through. Okay, so I think I'm done with this one. Here's what it looked like with the matte. Love the... Okay, so I think I'm done with this. There's what it would look like with a matte. Love the distressed oxide with the jelly plate that we did through here. This marker's really fun with the carbon paper. I like the transparent handwriting on the pattern paper is really nice. Definitely going to use more of that going forward. I even kind of like the really dark part that I put here once I put the yellow on top with the carbon, well, not the carbon paper, but the Caran d'Ache paper that I made. The bronze is nice. I like that little stamp technique onto the deli paper that we did down here. So I think that's really subtle. And now I have another piece of deli paper that I can use somewhere else in a collage. And this part over here is really nice too. Okay, overall very happy with this one. It feels kind of deserty to me. I don't know why. I've been looking at Georgia O'Keeffe paintings, so maybe some of that seeped into my brain today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video I made, and I will see you this week with some more videos. Thanks so much. Bye.